Okay, here's the simple circuit. 13 volts DC, resistor number 2 is 40 ohms, resistor number 1 is 800 ohms. With those values, down here at the ground you'll have 0 volts, as you see down here in the right corner. This shows you how many volts are at a given point. Right here you've got 12.381 volts. That's the little piece of wire between the two resistors. And above the top resistor, you've got your total voltage, 13 volts. Okay, now let's change this resistor here, the 800. Let's change it to 480 ohms. Okay, change 480 ohms. That's 480 ohms. Run the simulation again. Okay, gets done. Now you'll see that the voltage down here is still the same, 0 volts. And the voltage here in the middle now is 12 volts. And the voltage up here at the top is 13 volts. Okay? So this is dropping 1 volt, like what you asked. Now I bet you're wondering how I got 480 volts here. How I got that was using the algebraic formula. I needed to know what resistor 1 would be. And that is the exact formula that shows how to do it. And this is what it looks like with these little numbers put in on the old calculator. Looks just like that, just like a glazed little donut. Okay. We know that the one resistor is 40 ohms. We have times 40 ohms times 13 volts divided by how many volts we want, which is 1 volt, and then you minus the original resistor, or R2 as it's called in the formula, which gives you 480. Which means that with 13 volts you got to have 480 ohms of resistance to get that thing to drop 1 volt. That's the way it is, baby. All this shit about a simple voltage divider is right out there at the Wikipedia org, Wiki voltage divider.